Just gonna make a quick video for you guys that don't know how to drain the transfer case fluid. It's actually pretty simple. You only really need maybe 2 bottles of Mercon. I had this left over from when I did the transmission a while back. Before you go and pull out the drain plug, there's a skid plate that's mounted here, and it's bolted on the other side as well. But make it easier, just take it out. These are 13mm bolts. Pull those out. Then you got your drain plug and your fill plug right over here for your transfer case. It's a size 10. Allen wrench. So it's not in here very tight. You'll probably want to pull these out, and then when you go to put them back in, you're probably going to want to put Teflon tape on there to just make sure that they don't leak. So I already busted these loose, so should hopefully come out pretty easily. They weren't very tight to begin with, but you're gonna want to get something to catch it in. Let's see here. Yep. Go ahead and see if I can take the top one out too, just to let it breathe or vent. So we'll go ahead, pull this one out. I don't see this really shooting too far. Ooh, that is dark. Oh, damn. Oh, you don't want to do that. Drop a plug. Yeah, so that's not what you want to do. That was pretty nasty. So yeah, as you can see, it doesn't take very long for it to drain out. But yeah, you just let that drain, and then once you're done letting it drain out, you go ahead and put your plug back in here, and then you'll fill it up from the top till it starts to weep out right there, and then plug it up and you're done. Alright, it's done draining now. Put some Teflon tape on here. Nothing crazy. Gonna wipe that off. That way it's not leaking. There you go. It's that simple. Go ahead and get it started. Doesn't take much. There we go. And then go ahead and tighten this up. Bear with me. I'm doing this one-handed. So, not exactly easy. Shit. There we go. And this isn't super tight. I don't know the torque spec on this one, but all you do is just kind of cinch it down a little bit and it should be fine. There we go. All right. And then you're gonna need to get yourself a pump. I gotta cycle some of the fluid through so I can push out the other crap that's in here, and then just pump it in there. Alright, got the transmission fluid in here. Got both plugs in there, Teflon tape, wiped everything up so there's no more leaks. So looks good. It used about 2.5 quarts, give or take. That's what it's going to take to fill up one of these on a 6.7 Powerstroke. So just make sure you get 3 quarts of it and you'll be good to go. And I just use this pump right here and made life pretty easy. All right, thanks for watching.